Epec Engineered Technologies has been a leader in electronic build-to-print services for over 70 years. Our world-class capabilities in sourcing, supply chain, and inventory management help customers reduce lead times and drive down costs. Inventory management is a critical challenge for manufacturers aiming to balance productivity, flexibility, and cost efficiency. Through tailored programs like Kanban, blanket orders, and consignment stock, we streamline inventory management for custom-built electronics. Our just-in-time Kanban systems optimize production and minimize waste, while blanket orders guarantee supply with reduced lead times. For ultimate flexibility, our consignment programs let you pay only when parts are used. By incorporating inventory management systems tailored to operational needs, businesses can improve cash flow, reduce costs, and strengthen supplier relationships. Regularly revisiting and refining these strategies ensures alignment with evolving demands, fostering long-term success and scalability. With climate-controlled warehousing just south of Boston, Massachusetts, and bonded facilities in Canada and Mexico, we ensure fast, efficient delivery. At Epec, we invest in your success with reliable, innovative solutions for all your inventory management needs.